Hello beautiful people out there, this is again Ashish here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to brighten up the photo, and with adding a bouquets to the photo you can just create an amazing concept with the help of fairy lights. So I'll just show you how all the process is done in the video, as well as I'll also give you the preset of same which I am using currently in this particular photo editing, so you can just download it for free. I'll put all the links in the description. So before any further ado, let's get straight into the video, and just don't forget to follow me on Instagram, as well as check out my website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and let's create some amazing photo in this beautiful world of Photoshop. So guys, this is a raw photo which I'm gonna edit. So first of all, I'm gonna just duplicate the layer. So just right click on it and select duplicate, and I'm gonna just add this bokeh particle, extract this bokeh or the bokeh dust to the photo. So just change the blending mode to screen, and you can see this extra bokeh particles will make your photo to look more amazing and kind of fairy tale like. And just press the Ctrl L and just move the slider from left to right, and just rasterize it into the layer. Now you can just place it wherever you want to place, or what is more suitable according to your photo. You can just place this fairy dust particles over here, just like this way. Now I'm gonna go to the filter, select the camera filter, and I'm gonna just brighten up the black. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is increase the shadows from the photo and increase the blackness. Also a little bit of exposure to the photograph, and just hit OK if it is fine. So you can see the difference. You have enhanced the black shadows and the brighten up the photo, which is making it more creative. Now let's just drag and drop this bokeh particle image, change the blending mode to screen, and right click on it and select rasterize layer. Now just press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just remove that haze from the photo. Alright, so you have to keep the slider from left to right, and press Ctrl D, and you can just place it wherever you want to place this bokeh's image. You can just place it. Rest of the things which you don't want, you can just erase it with the help of eraser. So you can totally delete whatever kind of particles or the bokeh's photo you want. You can just keep, otherwise you can just delete it. This is totally up to you. Now I'm gonna just add this overlay of kind of neon thing to the photograph. So just flip it horizontal way, just right click on it and flip it horizontal, and I'm gonna just place this over here. Now right click on it and select rasterize layer, and change the blending mode to screen. Press Ctrl L from the keyboard and just move the slider from left to right. And I'm gonna just place it over this position, just like this way. Now you can see this one is really making your photo an amazing kind of effect. It is really giving a unique touch to the photo, right? Now let's just select the eraser or add a layer mask. Select the brush tool, make sure you have selected the black color on the foreground color, and just erase it with the help of eraser. So you can just delete it wherever you want to delete. You can just erase it, right? So I just want to keep it on only the one side of the photo, so I'm gonna just keep it, and rest of the thing I'm gonna just delete it. So as you can see, this is the before and this is the after. It is really making a huge difference to the photograph. Now let's finally crop the photo. Now let's just merge layers, right click on it and select merge layers, and rest of the thing is to color grade the photo, right? And here I'm gonna just use the preset. I have already created this preset, so you can just download it for free. That is Luminescence preset, alright. So I'll put the link of that preset over here in the description. So you can just give it and just turn your photo to a kind of creative luminescence photograph, and you can still more adjust some kind of tones over here. But I have already made some of the corrections and edited this preset, so you can just download it on the links in the description just for free and directly apply to your photo. This is according to your choice, guys. You have to maintain the skin tone and whatever kind of thing you want, you can just keep it. Now, as you can see, it is really making your photo an amazing look to the photograph. So you can see we have created an amazing portrait from a normal photo to a kind of bokeh perfect photo. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and follow us on Instagram.